Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back from another banger video, guys. In today's video, as you see by the title, we are checking out which one is a better iPad to get in 2024. The new one this year, the Apple iPad Pro 13 or the Apple iPad Pro 12.9, and I'm gonna just check them out and see which one is a better iPad to get by price and by performance. So we're gonna check that out in today's video, guys. Alright, guys, as you see right now, the Apple iPad 13 comes with a 13.0 inch display, so it has gotten like probably 0.1 inch bigger. So you'll probably see a difference, but maybe so you won't gonna really see a really big difference, but there is a difference there. So yeah, so you're gonna get more pixels out of the 13 Pro. So if you want an even larger display, if you want the largest possible, this iPad could be the one for you. Display Ultra Retina Tandem OLED display with 120 Hz HDR10 Dolby Vision, goes to up to 1600 nits. So that's something also that is really good. But on this one, it's a Liquid Retina XDR Mini LCD, and 120 Hz HDR10, also same brightness, but you're getting a better screen on this one, so you're gonna get a bit bigger and a bit better, pretty much screen. So if you guys want a bigger display and a better display, the Apple iPad Pro 13 is gonna be the choice for you. They're both 12 megapixel cameras, both record 4K, and maybe Apple iPad Pro 13 has a bit of a better camera, but you're not going to see difference. So if you're caring about camera, they're pretty much the same thing, so don't worry about that. Both run the same RAM, 8 to 16 gigabytes of RAM, but the Apple iPro 13 has an Apple M4 chip, so a really good chip there. But the Apple iPad Pro 12.9 has an Apple M2 chip, so it's gonna be a bit more better on performance on the Apple iPad Pro 13. So you're gonna have a better chipset pretty much, but RAM and things same thing. So it's not gonna be the best difference, but there is probably gonna be some difference there. Also remember, this one actually comes with a pen, so if you want a pen, it's a great option for you, and like if you want to draw and stuff. Battery difference is 1000, I don't even know this number, like 100k or something. Yeah, it's 100k, I think. Yeah. So it does have way more battery, so it has 300 plus more battery on the Apple iPro 12.9. So this one has a downfall on battery. That's the only bad thing about this iPad. That's the really bad thing there. So that's pretty bad. If you really want battery, I think this iPad will be better. They're both this one weighs 682 grams. This one weighs 579. So it's gonna be less weight. So that's something really great on this iPad. Both on the newest resolution thickness. This one's 6.4. This one's gonna be a slimmer device and a larger device. So that's something also great you can see there. Both have 5G network, both really good and everything like that. But now the big reason is, which ones should you get? Let's look at the price and see if it's worth it or not. Alright guys, as you see from Amazon, you can find the iPad Pro 13 for $2,200, guys. That is the price of the iPad. And for the Apple iPad 12.9, it goes for $2,040, guys. So the thing is about this iPad, sorry, the 2022 version is way more cheaper, guys. Way more cheaper than this phone. I don't know what I'm saying, guys, but yeah, this one is way more cheaper for the price So you're spending $200 less, saving 200, and they're pretty much the same thing. You're only getting a better display, a little better chipset, and that's pretty much it. And it's mainly display on this phone, iPad. Sorry, I keep saying phone because we keep saying we're making all phone videos, so I'm not used to it. Sorry, guys. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video, and I recommend everyone should go, if you're picking out of them, go for the Apple iPad Pro 12.9. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.